गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ऊर्जा संरक्षण का इंट्रोडक्शन। तो पहले ऊर्जा संरक्षण क्या है। ऊर्जा संरक्षण उन शब्दों में से एक है जिसे आप अधिक से अधिक सुन रहे हैं। दुर्भाग्य से बहुत सी जगह जो आपने सुनी होंगी वे विज्ञापन उत्पादों या जीवन शैली की आदतों में होंगी जिनका वास्तविक ऊर्जा संरक्षण से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं हो सकता है। वास्तविक ऊर्जा संरक्षण तकनीकी क्या है, यह जानने के लिए आपको उनके पीछे संरक्षण के सिद्धांत को समझना शुरू करना होगा। ऊर्जा संरक्षण को समझना। एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन इज नॉट अबाउट मेकिंग लिमिटेड रिसोर्स last as long as they can. They would mean they are doing nothing more than prolong a crisis until you finally run out of energy resource altogether. Conservation is the process of reducing demand on a limited supply पे demand को कम करना and enable that supply to begin to rebuild it. Many times the best way of doing this is to replace the energy used with an alternate. In the case of fossil fuel, the conservation also can include finding new way to tap into the earth supply so that the commonly used oil fields are not drained completely. This allows for those fields to replenish themselves more. This is not a process that happens overnight. When you are talking about replenishing natural resource, you are talking about elevating excess demand on the supply of hundreds of year time to allow nature to recover. Why it is important? Without energy conservation, the world will deplete its natural resource, which some people don't see as they an issue because it will take many decades to happen, and they foresee that by the time the natural resource is gone, there will an alternative. The depletion also comes at the cost of creating an enormous destructive waste product and then impact the rest of the life. The goal with energy conservation techniques is reduce demand, protect protect and replenishing supplies, develop and use alternate energy source, and to clean up the damage from prior energy process. Practical method of energy conservation. Below are the 8 energy conservation techniques that can help you to reduce your overall carbon footprint and save money in the long run. First one is install CFL light. Try replacing incandescent bulb in your home with CFL bulb. CFL bulb cost more upfront but at least 12 times longer than regular incandescent bulb. CFL bulb will not only save energy but over time you end up saving money. Lower the room temperature. Even a slight decrease in room temperature, let's say by only a degree or two, can result in big energy saving. The more the difference between indoor and outdoor temperature, the more energy it consumes to maintain room temperature. A more smarter and comfortable way of doing this is to buy a programmer thermostat. Fix air leaks. Proper insulation will fix air leak that could be costing you. During winter month, you would be letting out a lot of heat if you don't have a proper insulation. You can fix those leaks yourself or call an energy expert to do it for you. Use maximum daylight. Turn off light during the day and use daylight as much as possible. This will reduce the burden on local power grid and save you good amount of money in the long run. Get energy audit done. Get energy audit done. Having an energy audit expert for your home is an energy conservation techniques that can help you conserve energy and save good amount of money for every month. Home Energy audit is nothing but a process that helps you to identify areas in your home where is losing energy and what step you can take to overcome them. Implement the tips and suggestions given by those energy experts, and you might see some drops in your monthly electricity bill. Use energy efficient application when planning to buy some electrical application. Refer to buy one with energy star rating. Energy efficient application with energy star rating consume less energy and save your money. This might cost you more in beginning, but it is much more of investment for you. Drive less, walk more, and carpooling. Yet another energy conservation technique to drive less, walk more. This will not only reduce your carbon footprint, but it will also keep you healthy as walking is a good exercise. If you go to office by car and many of your colleagues stay nearby, try doing carpooling with them. This will not only bring down your monthly bill you spend on fuel, but will also make you socially more active. Switch off applications when not in use. Electrical applications like coffee machine, ideal printer, desktop computer keep on using electricity even when not in use. Just switch them off if you don't need them immediately. Plant shady landscaping outside your home will protect it from intense heat during hot and sunny days and chilly winds during the winter season. This will keep your home cool during summer season and will eventually turn to big saving when you calculate the amount of energy at the end of the year. Install energy efficient window. Some of the older window installed at your home are not energy efficient. Double plan panel window and other vinyl frames are much better than single pane window. Choosing correct blind can save on your power bill. Energy conservation techniques. First one is education. Education is probably the most powerful of the energy conservation technique that can be used. Energy is about more than teaching people with importance of conservation, and it allows showing the alternate choice that can be used in construction, manufacturing, and other process. Zero energy balance is more than techniques of conserving energy in green construction. It is the process of re-evaluating and retrofitting manufacturing and commercial operations so they can harvest and store energy as well as take and replace it onto grid to relieve bring down the stresses. Alternate power. There are more process. They are starting to use alternate power and fuel resource in many different areas of life. The use of alternate power is one of the most key energy conservation techniques because almost all the transition models require that the existing process be upgraded or replaced to more energy efficient models too. Cap and trade agreement are used the part of process of regulating and conserving consumption and pollution for manufacturing industry. The companies are allowed a certain initial rate which they can bid by to extend the extension bid then used for compensating project. Well, this may not seem like it directly related to energy conservation, and it is very much at its core. Reduced demand. There are numerous initiatives that are working to reduce the overall demand on the energy resource of the world. This can range everywhere from education program to changing the type of required insulation in new construction. Research and development. Continue funding of research and development project in the energy conservation field is how we discover the change that can be made to reduce consumption and discover renewable method to provide us with the energy that modern life requires. It would be one of the energy conservation technique that are most valued, and it is what holds the promise for leading to solution to the world energy crisis. तो ये आज का हमारा टॉपिक था। आगे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। इसके लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।